Hi guys, long time no see. I hope you're right. Please don't mind what I'm walking. I thought as I'm actually on my way to get a massage, I thought let me rather do a video about getting savings island, especially for people who are like in the medical space, nurses, doctors, and so on. So yeah, I'm actually parked like up there, and the massage place is just down. It's my birthday, and I've been feeling a little bit stressed and a bit tired, maybe just overworked and stuff. But yes, abizinja nkosi yami sengiyobaleka ke manje, sobaleka sonke. But anyway, hi guys, igama Umbali. For those that are new to the channel, my name is Mbali. Others call me Mablom, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Beep. Welcome to the Mablom channel. You guys are coming with me to the massage. Hey guys, you know South African massage places are actually very nice. Yeah, but anyway, as I was saying, so I've got my phone here. So I'll take you through the process basically in Ireland. And again, always look at the description on my YouTube channel, because I put up the websites and stuff where you guys can actually go and apply. Ne? So yeah, so there's basically like imisebenzi concerning nursing and doctor jobs in Ireland. Now this was a request from someone, Oyowaibala, as I would say, hey, I'm looking for jobs in this place. I might be really late, but I hope it is Caesar and like visa sponsorship, right? So yeah, yeah, at the end of the day, guys, if an opportunity does not knock, you need to build a wall, a door for yourself, right? And so let's try and build these walls together. Let me hold my bag. My bag is yawa. Hey guys, vlogger while walking, snip up and flacing. So let's take the bag and put it this side before I break my phone. That's not gonna be cute and pretty. I've written notes down, so we will use anyway, let's get to it. So again, as I always say, if you're choosing a country, always research kule country, what are the possible challenges that you might face. And on Facebook, you usually find foreigners or immigrants that have created Facebook pages and so on. Okay, so yeah. Hey bro. Oh, okay, I thought I was not recording, but I am recording. So yeah, anyway, always research on the country and make sure that like if your job offer is given to you, babuza are they going to give you sponsorship, but they usually say they will either give you sponsorship, visa sponsorship. So yeah, so yeah, I'm just looking for my notes, sorry guys, but I hope it's right. We're close to half of the year, and yeah man, we gotta push as much as we can our goals, but also enjoying it. Okay, so let's quickly do this so that I can then walk here. So so for nursing and like midwives are really like such a big thing, especially in these countries. Also like concerning myself, my birth vlog, my birth process, I had midwives, doctors, and midwives are like such a big thing abroad basically. I think South Africa binaleyo push for midwives. Yes, there are midwives, but only like the elites that would really get midwives, yabo. But anyway, the first website for nursing, yabo, that you can is www. Obviously, I'm gonna put them up. Sorry, excuse me. NMBI.ie. I can't say it. NIMBY. .ie. So be ready to like submit your qualifications, an English test, and usually batata IELTS or your I don't know, different countries, different ones, right? But yeah, usually it's like your English test. It's a simple English test that if we South African, because everything of ours is like English, you will pass it. I doubt that anyone will fail it, né? And then doctors also need to like register with the medical council, obviously, the nursing council. These are like two nurse platforms to like register as a nurse and also register as a doctor. Once you're done, okay, and then be ready to also take an exam. Unless you are like already licensed and stuff like that, then there isn't really a need for that. But yes, the first like platform to really get your CV ready, polished, check it out, and make sure that you submit it. It's a website is Gucci HSE.ie, which is obviously the link Ireland, and you wanna get it's like Ireland's public health services. So they definitely look for nurses. I've got a bit of flu, nurses and stuff. So yeah, and then there is CPL Healthcare. They recruit nurses like internationally. And then there's Global Medics, and I've always spoken about Global Medics even in my shorts. And yeah, Global Medics Ireland, So Global Medics Ireland, you'll get it. And then there's TTM Healthcare, which is another big name in the nurse like recruiting sector. And then there's the IrishJobs, where you can find like and use keywords obviously when you're searching like nurse sponsorship, because you want them to sponsor you, right? You want them to pay for ukuthi umuvele ngapha and then settle you in, yabo. Because it's difficult when you're gonna move by yourself, and it's difficult in the sense of financially, yabo. So I wouldn't really suggest it. But I get excited when I have to speak isiZulu, because yeah. Now many employers usually offer like relocation sponsorship, including like your visa, as I said, sponsorship, accommodation for your first few months, and sometimes even help with like your registration costs. But obviously you have to make sure that you pull through and you do your job. Okay, you have to make sure that you also do your job. So yeah, I think those are like the basic websites that I really wanted to share, and so that I don't make this video longer than 10 minutes. We are at 8 minutes right now. Yeah, and like really most healthcare workers apply like critical skills, obviously. So you have the right skills that these countries are really looking for. So I mean, if you are willing to relocate, go to a different place and put yourself out there, even with your family yakho, if umuntu akakasebenzi and whatnot, stress, it's definitely something that you can like look into, and it will help you out. Abantu bangibheke strange ukuthi ngiyenzani. So yeah, but anyway guys, I hope that you guys are good. But anyway, I'm getting closer to my massage place, so let me quickly go. Ngingaze ngibe late. I'll edit this video and quickly put it up. Hopefully it can help the lady that had written. I think it's a lady, I'm making an assumption. So yeah, but I hope you guys are good. Spit on my flu, but you know what, God is good all the time. God is good, and it's my birthday. Bye y'all, enjoy the rest of your day. Guys.